Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I've been waiting, I've been delaying this for so long. I should have done this earlier. So today we're gonna replace a oil cooler on the 2012 Toyota Sienna, the oil cooler. So some of the model, the oil cooler is rubber, so I have to replace it with this cooling line, the metal one. So they come with the two gasket, and this is the part number. You can get this from the dealer. Don't buy the aftermarket one. Go ahead and get it from the dealer, and the dealer costs about this including shipping is 70 bucks. So get it from the dealer, okay? Go online and find it, a dealer near you, or anywhere that can ship. Get this. So first thing I need to do is, I think the oil cooler is under here, near the right front tire. So what you need to do is you need to remove the cover at the bottom. So basically, around the cover is all 10mm screw, and a couple of clip. So let me go ahead and unscrew all that and remove the bottom cover, and then we're gonna go from there. All right. Okay, so a couple of screw, and then you remove the bottom cover. Remove the bottom cover. So I can get down here. Let me show you. So we got the oil cooler. I think oil cooler is down here. So oil cooler is right here. I'm gonna have to remove this one just to make room. As you can see, the oil cooler is right here. As you can see, this is the piece right here. This one, the bolt for the oil cooler, and it go all the way through over here. As you can see, there you go. So I'm doing this at home. I don't have a lift, but you can jack this up just a little bit like I did right here, so you have room. So I'm gonna remove this piece right here. I'm gonna remove this piece right here, unplug it, so I have more room to do. And I know the oil cooler screw is, or the bolt itself is 12mm. So I'll go ahead and remove those. They all of them are 12mm, and then remove both of those, and that thing should come off. This thing should come off. All right, so give me a second. Let me remove all this, and I cannot video and doing it at the same time. So I'll show you when I finish removing the bolt. All right. Okay, so let me tell you what's going on. It's so hard to take this thing out. Not a lot of room. But what you got here is the screw in the back. It's pretty easy to take it out. All you need to do is get a little extension, the correct extension. But the front here, this one is easy to take it out. This one is easy to take it out. And the back one, that one is the most difficult, because that one, it don't have a lot of space. All you have is this much space, and it going down to the frame right here. And then it's also blocked by this clip right here. So you need to get the right extension to get that out. And I have to get this kind of extension right here. As you can see, it's this type right here with the swivel right here. So I have a room a little extend down here like this, and I connect this into here like that way. So that will work. So you need a long socket that will go down, and it will go down in the back way like this way to unscrew it. So that is the most hardest one I did, and you need the right extension for it. So if you need an extension for the same thing like this, I will put a link on my video description so you can get one. And after that, it's pretty straightforward. Make sure you have a catch can or pan at the bottom to catch all the oils coming out. And just take it easy. Just let it drain for a while so all the oil coming out. And after that, you should able to take it out. So you need to remove this this screw right here, and also the screw on the front right here, and able to take this whole piece out. So that is this one right here. You can take it out with the E8. E8, you can take that out. So let me go ahead and remove the whole thing, and then I will show you the comparison between the two, the rubber one and also with the new metal one we're gonna install it. Alright, it's just take a lot of patience, and you should able to get out. And you need one of those look thin one. The thin ratchet to get it out. This regular chubby one, you're not gonna get it. The thin one will work, so you need to get the thin one. Alright, let me go ahead and the oil is coming out, most of them. I'll go ahead and remove the whole thing. Just I need to unbolt that one, which is not that bad to do because it's unopened, and that's it. So sorry I couldn't video this because, like I said, I'm doing it by myself, so I don't have first is I don't have a lot of space, and I don't have a lot of room to do with only one hand. Alright, give me a second. Oh, there you go. I took it out. It's a big mess, but I took it out. So I was wrong. Alright. So you need to take that screw out right here. This is the back one right here. You need to take that out. If you don't take it out, you cannot take the cooler out. That one. So make sure you take that out. And you don't need to take this one out, but you need to take the inside one out. So that's the one that you need. This one and that one. Yeah, the bottom one right here. The top one right here. That one and this one. Those two screws you need to take it out. And the rest you can just pull it out. It's gonna be a big mess because the cooler does have a lot of oil in there. Look at all the oil. That's just inside the cooler itself. So old one, new one. So as you can see, the old one, they have a lot of residue from the old gasket. So I have to check it out and see the surface on there is smooth, or else I have to scrape everything off over there, so make it smooth so there won't be any leak before I install the new one in. So they come with the two gasket, as you can see. Let me show you this. Let me show you, okay? The gasket you have, you see the one the outside with the groove, this one is going inside this cooler, okay? So it's like this. So the one with the flat surface, that one is going inside the engine side, okay? This is the engine side, and this is the cooler side, okay? The one with the groove going a little bit up. Okay, so don't get that wrong. Okay, so all you need to put this on like this, the bottom one on like this, and you are good. And you just need to reinstall everything back. Like I said, it's not going to look pretty. It's not going to be pretty because all this mess right here, but at the end, you only do this one time only for the life of your car. So just be a little patient with that screw I was talking about. And after that, you should be good. This thing is hard as a rock. And I'll go ahead and put everything back. And I'll show you at the end. And if I run into any trouble, I will let you know. Basically, make sure you remove this bracket here, okay? This bracket right here. That bracket belongs right here. Right here. To hold this cable. So you have to remove that. That's a 10 millimeter, okay? Remove that and you should be all clear. Everything should be good. So let me scrape some of the stuff off and clean the surface so it look nice and smooth, so I can install in with, so I won't get any leak. All right, give me a second. Okay, I finally got everything back together. Not bad, not a bad project. It took me about maybe 2 hours. 2 hour complete. Everything is done. As you can see, you got everything back to normal. The gasket and everything is on. Cleaning up everything. Clean up all the oil. Install this bracket back. Like I said right here, you need to remove this bracket. This is 10 millimeter right here. Unplug this. There's a tap in the back here. You just need to press this and pull it out. It's pretty easy. And then you got that done. Same thing with the other side. As you can see, everything is nice. The other side look nice too. That's it. All the screw back in. It's pretty hard to get the torque wrench in here, so just do by feel. Just snug it up, and it should be good. Go on the bottom, let you see. Let's see, everything is nice in there. As you can see, nice and pretty. Everything is nice. Okay, everything is good, just as I want it to be. And now what do you want to do is, or what I should do is, turn on the engine, let it run, and see if is there any leak. If there's no leak, then you are good. And you're good. So there's a lot of oil dripping everywhere, so I just need to clean all that up, and it should be good. Everything is nice, back to normal as before. Just make sure you clean all the oil, because it's basically drip everywhere. But the whole project is not that bad. It's pretty easy. Just a little timing and a little patience, and should be done. Should be done. So we do this just only one in a lifetime. So of the car itself. So it's not that bad. $70. and you don't have to worry about the oil or the line got ruptured and destroy this thing. As you can see, it's already a little rip here, and that's it. Now just toss this away, and I'm done. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys find this useful, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.